How to use Klaviyo variables when you design emails in Figma. Dynamic tags in Klaviyo let you to create more personal emails with special tags such as first name or organization name. All these variables become actual subscribers' data when the user receives the email. Designing emails in Figma gives you full control over the design and layout. You can use all the Figma benefits such as reusable components, styles, and sharing options. I'm using Marco Email Generator Figma plugin for building emails. I've prepared a free Figma file with all Klaviyo variables. The link to the file will be in the description. Let's copy and paste a few Klaviyo variables into your email content. Don't forget to add unsubscribe tag to the email footer. Once your design is ready, you can export the code using the plugin. There are two options: connect the Figma plugin to Klaviyo, or simply copy-paste HTML code for Figma to Klaviyo. So let's use the second option. Here's how you can paste code to the Klaviyo to create a new HTML. In Klaviyo, open the Klaviyo, then go to the templates, import, paste template. Next, let's try to send a test email from Klaviyo using our code and see how it works. As you can see, all the variables were replaced correctly.